Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the development of various projects in Gurgaon Sector 23. These professionals are responsible for conducting accurate surveys of the land, analyzing its topography, and creating detailed maps and plans. With their expertise, they provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and developers, enabling them to make informed decisions during the planning and construction stages of a project. Gurgaon Sector 23, being a prime location for residential and commercial developments, requires the services of topographical surveyors to ensure that the land is suitable for construction. By conducting surveys, these professionals gather data on the existing features of the land, such as elevation, contours, and natural drainage patterns. This information helps in determining the feasibility of a project and identifying any potential challenges that may arise during construction. SCON Design is a renowned company in Gurgaon Sector 23 that offers topographical surveying services. They have a team of experienced surveyors who are well-versed in using advanced technology and equipment to accurately measure and map the land. SCON Design understands the importance of providing accurate and reliable data to their clients, which is why they strive to deliver high-quality surveying services. The role of topographical surveyors goes beyond just mapping the land. They also provide valuable insights into the environmental impact of a project. By studying the topography of the area, they can identify any potential environmental concerns, such as flood risk areas or protected habitats. This allows developers to design their projects in a way that minimizes their impact on the environment. In conclusion, topographical surveyors are essential in Gurgaon Sector 23 for conducting accurate surveys of the land and providing valuable information to architects, engineers, and developers. In Gurgaon Sector 23, the development of numerous projects depends heavily on the work of topographical surveyors. These experts are in charge of carrying out precise surveys of the land, examining its topography, and producing comprehensive maps and plans. With their knowledge, they help architects, engineers, and developers make wise decisions during the planning and construction phases of a project by providing them with useful information. Topographical surveyors are needed in Gurgaon Sector 23 because it is a desirable area for residential and commercial development to make sure the land is fit for building. These experts gather information through surveys on the existing land features, including elevation, contours, and natural drainage patterns. This information aids in evaluating a project's viability and detecting any potential difficulties that might occur during construction. Topographical surveying services are provided by SCON Design, a well-known business in Gurgaon Sector 23. They have a group of skilled surveyors that are adept at making accurate measurements and maps of the land utilizing cutting-edge tools and technology. SCON Design works hard to provide top-notch surveying services,